This is Fulton Hill, on the edge of the city of Richmond. Exact took on a green infrastructure and community development project in this historic neighborhood. We install bioretention systems or rain gardens on the surface, which will take in polluted rainwater from the roads and sidewalks and remove the pollutants from the water using a combination of specialized soil and stone in a reservoir before the clean water is released into underground waterways. Permeable pavement was installed for the commercial parking lots on the site, which uses a similar layout with surface pavement that allows for rainwater infiltration directly through it. These two systems are what contribute to a combined sewer retrofit. A combined sewer has both rainwater and sewage moving through it. Because of this though, there are times when the sewage treatment plant can't keep up with the flow of both at the same time, resulting in overflows where raw sewage ends up getting dumped into the James without being treated. To prevent these overflows, the reservoirs beneath the rain gardens and pervious pavement store water during rain events and release it slowly over time, helping keep the flow stable and preventing more overflows, which is one of the main benefits of green infrastructure. We also work to enhance the community aesthetics on site, including renovating the sidewalk, public artwork and building murals, plus trees lining the street along with 1,200 additional plants in the area. We are dedicated to protecting our waters and will always strive to help keep them clean and safe.